Hello, welcome to today's topic with Blotski and Dema. Today we'll be talking about the macaroni strainer.
This topic is a bit confusing, so please pull out the notebook and take some notes.
Bear with us, it will be a long journey, but it will be worth it, for we will reveal the Earth's greatest secrets tonight.
Okay, so usually when you're in school or you talk to a scientist, they talk about how the Earth is a perfect circle, and they only say, oh, we have stuff like the different spheres on top with the air and the carbon dioxide, but no.
That's not how it is. In reality, the Earth is a bowl. It's a bowl shaped. Please.
Here, let us show you on a bigger scale. Come with us.
Here we will demonstrate the Earth.
Here we have the Earth. Usually people talk about how it can be. They say flat Earth? No way. They say hollow Earth? What kind of... No, this is no Kinder Egg. Now, what we're talking about is a bowl. That means that the inside is... You know how bowls are? We don't have a bowl on us because we're not like that. But bowls, they're like this and they have the dip inside, right? Like that, right? So people, they live on the outside like here, and people also live in the inside like here.
Yes. And when you see the horizon, it's usually this curvature of the Earth.
So for sure, the Earth is not flat, but it's not a circle either. It's what you would say, a flat, no, not a flat, like a hollow half circle. So technically,
It's in between.
It's in between. Now, what's even more confusing is not how the Earth is shaped, it's what's around the Earth. Let's show you again. So, as you can see, you know how we said it's the bowl. So here is your bowl Earth.
Yes.
Now on top of the bowl, go on, you can explain.
There's a strainer with many little holes inside of it.
Many
Many.
holes.
They're small, and this is where our weather is generated. So the raindrops go into the earth from the macaroni strainer.
So the raindrops collect, and that's how we get our oceans. That's why we have oceans, a lot of oceans in one part. And that's why we have land on the other part. You think maps are like this? No. Maps are more of a circle that's like that. Understand? Now, the macaroni strainer is a very, very hard to understand topic because usually you say macaroni strainers or like bowls too. No, not this one. This one is a flat circle. Now through the macaroni strainer, not water, not snow, not those clouds, they're not made out of water, no. Okay, so you know how you say the oceans are made out of salt water? You're wrong. Have you ever drank the ocean? Let me tell you, that is not salt water.
It's macaroni water. See, when the macaroni is in the sky, it generates macaroni. So there's macaroni above the macaroni strainer, and water is in there too. So when that water cooks the macaroni, it falls into the earth.
Now the macaroni, it's not only like those moon-looking things. It's also long, and there's also the nice twirly ones. You know, I like those. Those are my favorite. They just you don't understand. They're just so artistic. You can't get no straight one. You got to get a curly one. And there's also those beautiful shell ones. I have no artistic ability. It's like a shell.
Yes.
And there's so many different kinds. That's why around the earth you have different things. You have the deserts. They get those moon-looking ones, the tiny ones. That's why they don't have any trees. And then,
but in the forest, you get the long ones.
That's why you get the tall trees because
Yes.
you get the
Long
long
macaroni.
tree. You get a long tree because you got a long macaroni.
Yes.
Understand?
Exactly. And in the beaches, you get the shells at the beaches.
The shell macaroni.
Yeah.
Understand?
You gotta
think about it. Okay.
think about
Now,
these things.
now you also think, how about the snow? What in the world is snow? Now that's a little confusing. You know how when you eat your what do they call it? Spaghetti?
Yes.
No, it's macaroni, long macaroni. When you eat your long macaroni, usually people put like cheese on it, right?
Yes.
That is what snow is. It's the cheese.
The Parmesan cheese.
Because some people they want some different macaroni flavors. So we have the snow, cheese. The rain, it's macaroni residue, and the earth bowl. Understand so far?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. Now we're going to get even deeper in.
Okay. Now everyone sees the sun in the sky.
It is not fire. How many times? All of us, we tell you all the time, but you still think, oh, the earth is just some fireball. No. Go on. You can hear the fire. Well, supposed fire.
So there is the earth and the macaroni strainer, and the sun is in between the earth and the macaroni strainer.
That's why you say deserts are so hot. Deserts are located right here and right here.
Yes. Because when the sun is closest to the world itself, it is at these points, the edges of the bowl, which go all the way around. So the earth, so all around the bowl of the earth are the deserts.
Down here is where we have the Antarctica,
Yes.
because the earth, the sun does not do this. The sun mostly does this. It does this. The sun goes around. So that's why when it's winter, the sun is somewhere here. When it's summer, the sun is somewhere over here.
Because when the sun is above the macaroni strainer, it gets colder because it evaporates all the water and makes it push down onto the earth.
That's why we get snow, we get rain, we get blizzards. It's because the sun is up here and not down here to make everything drier and warmer and just nicer in general. But for the people that live down here, they probably never see the sun or the macaroni. They usually get the leftovers that just fall off the side. Don't live here, okay? Live somewhere like right here, where it's not too hot, not too cold. Right here, you get some burnt macaroni. You don't want that. You don't want burnt macaroni. You eat it, and you're like, what's this crunchy garbage? No.
No. What else is there to discuss about this topic?
Oh, there's so much, but I think we'll just end it here. This is the beginner's course. We have much more advanced mathematics. We have science.
Geology,
Even anatomy is different. You think it's
literature.
You think it's H2O? No. It's MUC.